I'll never forget the panic I felt last summer when my flight got canceled just hours before my big trip. I was supposed to be on a plane to Europe in the morning, ready to explore the cobblestone streets of Paris and eat my body weight in croissants. But instead, I was standing at the gate, staring at the canceled sign flashing on the screen like it was taunting me. I'm sure you've been there. One moment, everything's going according to plan, and the next, it all falls apart in a matter of seconds. I had everything ready. Hotels booked, an itinerary packed with sightseeing, and a suitcase that was practically bursting with excitement. But then, a voice on the intercom shattered it all. Due to unforeseen circumstances, the flight to Paris has been canceled. And just like that, my whole trip felt like it was hanging by a thread. I rushed to the airline desk, trying to get on another flight, but of course, every option was either booked or astronomically expensive. The next available flight would have me arriving a whole day late, and by then, my hotel would have already charged me for the first night. I had this sinking feeling in my stomach, like the universe had thrown a massive roadblock in my plans. I'd never experienced this before, and I wasn't sure what to do. I didn't want to give up on my trip, but every option seemed like a dead end. That's when I remembered something I had read about, a service I'd signed up for but had never really given much thought. Travel insurance. I didn't have the traditional stuff that covers only the basics, but a friend had mentioned this little-known gem called Auras. Honestly, I thought it was just another add-on service. But in that moment, I didn't have a lot of choices, so I thought, why not? I quickly logged into my account and submitted a claim for my canceled flight. And to my surprise, no shock Auras came through. Within hours, I had confirmation that they'd helped cover the cost of my last-minute flight change. But the real twist? They didn't just reimburse me for the extra cost. They also took care of my hotel cancellation fees, even though I was missing the first night of my stay. Just like that, the stress lifted. I felt like someone had handed me the safety net I didn't know I needed. Now, I'm not the type to jump on every new thing that comes my way. But after this experience, I started to realize something. Travel insurance isn't just for the big emergencies. It's for the unpredictable stuff, like flight cancellations, hotel mishaps, or when life throws a wrench into your well-laid plans. I don't know what I would have done without it that day. Without Auras, I would have been out hundreds of dollars and stuck without a proper solution. Instead, I was back on track, rebooking my flight with a sense of calm that I didn't have before. If you've ever been in a last-minute jam like I was, here's my tip. Don't overlook travel insurance. It's not just for major disasters. It's the safety net for the curveballs life throws at us. Auras was there for me when I needed it most, and if you're looking for peace of mind, it could save your trip just like it did for me. I'm honestly so glad I found it. Check it out for yourself. It's a game changer. Trust me, it's one of those travel insurance hacks you'll wish you knew about sooner. You can find Auras by searching for auras.insure, or I'll leave the link in the description. Don't wait until it's too late. You never know when the unexpected will hit. But if you have the right protection, it doesn't have to ruin your trip.